Crispy potato patties with simple ragda and flavorful chutneys makes us bring the street chaats into our home kitchens. Hello friend, welcome you back on my channel Simply Trupt with one more simple and today unforgettable chaat from Mumbai. Let's get started. Take 1 cup of white peas, soak this overnight. Now I will put it to boil in pressure cooker. I will transfer this in my cooker pot with water. This is total 2 cups of water. Now to this I add half a teaspoon of turmeric and 1 inch of dalchini, that is cinnamon stick. Now this will go in cooker and I have done it on medium heat for 1 whistle. Total time took is 35 minutes in pressure cooker. Now after the cooker is at normal temperature, take out the chana pot and boil it further for another 15 minutes to get perfect thick and runny consistency. Add water as required. Add salt to taste. I have added 2 teaspoons of salt. Mash in between as the chana is kept to simmer. Now, as our ragda is ready, I will show you patties recipe, which I parallelly prepared when the peas were in cooker. Here I have boiled 3 potatoes. As they are slightly bigger in size, I have boiled these for 30 minutes. Peel off the skin. We want fine potato so that there are no potato lumps. We will grate it. You can even mash it with your hands. Now as this is all grated, but I changed my mind and removed some of the grated potato. So this is about the quantity of 2 big potatoes. To this fine potato mixture, I am adding 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now only prefer adding Kashmiri red chili powder as it gives good color and is less hot. You can add the spices and its quantity as per your taste. If you are allergic to mix these ingredients with your hand, you can even use spoon or gloves. A simple potato patty also can be prepared. Now make it into round balls. Don't make it too thin. Just give a slight dab from all sides. Now we will shallow fry these potato balls. Take 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it on a medium heat. Fry each side for at least 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown crisp. Our potato patties is ready. And now let us take it out on the paper towel. We will now start to prepare our ragda patties dish. I am using this soup bowl to serve ragda patties. First, add some ragda. Place patties over it. Let us sprinkle some chaat masala, onions and tomatoes. Now we will garnish it with some mint chutney. Pour 2 spoons of tamarind jaggery chutney. I have made this tamarind jaggery chutney a little runny as it will nicely get blended with the ragda and into the patties. Add some more ragda and finely chopped cilantro. And in the end some save. And this perfect ragda patties is ready. This aroma and taste is taking me back to the streets of Mumbai. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have liked it. See you again.